What's up, YouTube? We're back with another video.
What's up, peeps? You know, see I won done. Back at it again.
Back at it again. Yo, this video is basically about us cooking. Well, we're showing cooking, y'all. We doing dinners today. We're selling dinners. So I need y'all to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned to the video. If you ain't eating none of this food, you're missing out. Right, baby? They missing out?
I'm not even letting y'all know.
He said he's not even letting y'all know. But y'all, look at this. What's this, baby? Curry goat?
Yeah.
Curry goat. That look good. We got curry goat. What else we got? We got barbecue chicken. We got barbecue chicken. We got curry goat, oxtails, and what's this, baby? This is curry chicken. You know what I mean? We got curry chicken. It's over, y'all. If y'all in the area, if y'all in Dover, Delaware, or Delaware, y'all might as well go ahead and hit your girl up, and I'll let you know when we be having the next time. Cook man, chef man.
Did I know? Yeah?
Cause your perfume is
Huh?
What's up? CJ boy.
We got the Jamaican.
Big up, fuck. Get signing. Yeah. Big chef. Good. So.
Looks good.
I'm not in the stage.
Hey, get it, baby. Hey, get it, baby. Get it, baby. That looks so good, man. Cabbage. Honey, what's up? So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We didn't even have a closing because listen, we got super busy. People was just calling and ordering. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure y'all go ahead and like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.